Despite a recent Supreme Court ruling shooting down federal vaccination mandates, now more Americans are being required to show proof of vaccination status. But keeping that odd-sized piece of paper in your wallet is not always easy, and nor is it convenient. And that is where technology comes in. Several digital vaccine card apps have been released, but one in particular, known as the Smart Health Card, has gained traction because of its simplicity and focus on protecting personal information. Joining Morning Rush is Dr. Christopher Longhurst, Chief Medical Officer and Chief Digital Officer at UC San Diego Health. Good to see you, Doc. So tell us about these Smart Health Cards, and how is it different from someone like myself that just takes a photo of my vaccination card and stores it in my iPhone?
Yeah, great question. These Smart Health Cards are digitally verifiable copies of your vaccine record. When UC San Diego Health launched the largest vaccine superstation in the state of California, we immediately had thousands of people looking for copies of their paper card that they had lost. And this digitally verifiable and issuable, secure, transparent Smart Health Card was a great solution for that.
Tell us about the process, what's involved in downloading the app and getting your Vax card onto it.
Sure. It's actually not an app. It's really just a copy of your vaccine record that's digital. So you can put it in your Apple or Android wallet and show it when necessary, when you choose to share it with somebody else.
Okay, so how do I get it?
Sure. There's over 400 organizations now that issue it, including 15 U.S. states. The state where I live, California, makes it available to every state resident. We've got large national pharmacies like CVS, Walgreens that are issuing this at a national basis, and hundreds of health systems like my own that are now issuing it using their electronic health records. So no matter where you live, just about anybody should be able to get a copy of their Smart Health Card for either their COVID vaccination or COVID testing results.
So I jumped on the App Store just moments ago and did find an app that says Smart Health Card, and you can download it right there. Is this something different than you're talking about?
Yeah, the app that you found is the Smart Health Card Reader, which is a secure, transparent, private way to verify one of these Smart Health Cards. So I went to an indoor concert last summer, and they used that Smart Health Card Reader to verify people's vaccination status before we went indoors for this concert.
All right, so what if your state doesn't offer a statewide Smart Health Card? How do you get digital proof no matter where you live?
Yeah, as I mentioned, a number of national chains like CVS, Walgreens, and others are issuing these, as well as local health systems that use electronic health record solutions like Epic and Cerner. So talk to your doctor, talk to your health system, and if your state's not doing this yet, we of course recommend advocating for this. This is not a mandate for vaccines. This is really just a way to show that you've been vaccinated if you choose to.
Okay, and we talked earlier in the intro about protecting private information. How does this do so, and how do others, perhaps more importantly, how do others put your personal information at risk?
Yeah. One of the reasons UC San Diego Health chose this standard, the Smart Health Card, is because it's not only secure, but also open and transparent. So the source code is verifiable, and there's a network of trusted issuers, including our state and our healthcare organizations. And so it's up to you to choose whether or not you want to share this.
All right, Dr. Christopher Longhurst, Chief Medical Officer and Chief Digital Officer at UC San Diego Health. Appreciate it.